Hello, I am Anwesha and I work as a staff attorney at Legal Aid of Northwest Texas in the Amarillo office. I'm here remotely with Erin Bowden, an attorney at our Abilene office. Erin leads our family law practice team and is here today to give some information to help answer some questions parents may have about co-parenting during the coronavirus pandemic, including about visitation and child support orders. Good morning, Erin. If I have a court order that includes visitation for my children, do I have to follow it during the pandemic?
Hello, Anwesha. Yes, court orders do remain in effect. The Texas Supreme Court has announced to everyone in one of its orders that visitation orders are not affected by the coronavirus outbreak. So both parents are required to follow those orders.
My custody order says that the spring break visit is supposed to last until school resumes, but school has been canceled. Who is supposed to have custody right now?
Well, the Texas Supreme Court has said that the spring break visit ended when school was originally scheduled to start again. This is true even if your school has been calling some or all of the closure an extended spring break. If you or the other parent has not returned the child since spring break, you may be violating the custody order and you should return the child immediately.
What if the other parent works at a hospital, nursing home, or another high-risk job? I don't want my children to visit with that parent right now.
Well, this is a very hard issue. It is understandable that a parent might want to make changes to their order to keep their children safe and away from the virus. However, one parent alone does not have the power to change the court's order. Courts do not seem to be limiting a parent's visitation with children based on the risk of their job during the pandemic. I recommend talking with the other parent to find out if they will agree to hold off on visits for now, postponing the visitation time until stay-at-home guidelines have been lifted or until local officials have reopened businesses in your area. If there is an agreement to temporarily change the terms of the order during the pandemic, you need to get that agreement in writing and signed by both parents.
My county has a stay-at-home or shelter-in-place order. Does this impact visitation, and will I get in trouble for leaving my home to drop off or pick up for visits?
No, the Texas Supreme Court has made it clear the visitation orders already in place are not changed even if there's been a stay-at-home order by a county. It is not a violation of those types of local orders to leave your home to pick up and drop off your child. Visits under a custody order need to continue as usual unless you've come to an agreement with the other parent about suspending or changing visits during this time.
What can I do if the other parent is not following the visitation order because of COVID-19?
If the other parent is not following the visitation order, you might be able to file an enforcement action. This would allow the court to decide if the court order has been violated and to try to get the other parent to follow the order. In some cases, courts may even order makeup visitation for any visits that were denied.
What about child support? If I have lost my job and I can't pay my child support, what can I do?
This is already a problem for a lot of people. You can file to modify your child support based on loss of income, but you may not get a hearing on it right now. You could contact the Texas Attorney General's office to see if they can help you with that. In some cases, particularly when both parties agree, they can help you to get an order to lower your child support.
If I can't pay my child support, can I still visit?
Absolutely. Child support and visitation are two separate issues. It doesn't matter whether we're in a pandemic or not. You can always visit with your child, even if you can't pay your child support. It works the other way too. You can't withhold child support payments if the other parent doesn't let you visit.
I don't have a court order on my children and I need one. Can I get one now?
Yes, you can try, but it might be more difficult now if your local court isn't scheduling non-emergency cases. But you can still file a case and seek court orders. You can try to get an order in the same way you would have done before the pandemic, by hiring a private attorney, applying to your local legal aid office, filing your own court case, or applying with the Texas Attorney General's office for child support services. It might be a good idea to apply now so that your application or lawsuit is already in process by the time the courts are regularly holding hearings again.
Thank you so much for joining me, Erin. If you have more questions or if you need legal assistance, You can apply for help at our local legal aid office. Legal Aid of Northwest Texas provides free legal help in areas like housing, consumer law, public benefits, and family law to low-income individuals and families in the North and West Texas. If you live in North or West Texas, you can apply for help with Legal Aid of Northwest Texas, and eligible applicants can speak to an attorney. You can apply by calling 888-529-5277. For more information, please visit us online at www.lanwt.org.